makeup. Hi, I'm just doing a video today. What I'm gonna use peppermint. And this is gonna be the best. So, okay. Now I'm gonna use some of this to do it. Okay. Now I'm gonna do it. Okay, that's done. I mean, done. Okay, done. And now, it's so funny. I'm gonna do this. It's clear, not black, so you get to do black eyes. It's clear. It's clear mascara. You can use this for kids, or you can use this for like mums or stuff. And this is just one video, and I'm gonna do loads of videos. Just use this and buy it, and when you see it, just ask your mum if you want this, and you can see my videos, and then you can do loads of makeup, and just press on my channel. And if you want to subscribe it, then you just hit that bell and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to go in the comments of my makeup videos. And I'm going to do makeup videos. Okay, now I'm going to do some of this mascara. Okay, done my mascara. Now we're going to do some okay. Okay. What I'm going to use now is some of this blush. It's pink. It looks like red. Some of this. It's like foundation, but I'm really going to use it for the crease along the. It's a little bit messy, but don't care about this. Care about my face because I'm trying to do makeup and I don't want you to look at this. Just care about my face. And sometimes I watch makeup videos and I went up to a channel. So that's why I'm doing makeup videos now. I think that's enough. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna do some bunny hats. Okay, now in the crease, I'm gonna really use some eyeshadow. Okay, I'm doing this palette. From the Mermaid crease. Let me see. This is a Mermaid eyeshadow palette that I really use sometimes. And I'm going to show you how to use it. And you can buy this. And you can buy this. And just use this. It's kind of good. I'm just talking about makeup. And I just love makeup. So you should click that, and you can go on my YouTube channel with whenever you want to, whenever you want to do it. And I got this. I'm kind of like a shouty voice because I'm trying to do a video. Okay. Now let's use this. Now it's almost the end of my makeup channel, but now I'm gonna use some lipstick, and you never use kind of like red lipstick. Just use like 3 of these like lip balms. Just don't use like red lipstick like this. It was actually stained, but use lip balm red and use lip balm pink and use lip balm peach. Okay, which one should I use? I'm gonna use this. Well, I'm gonna use some pink today. I'm gonna use red tomorrow.